Woody.
Open your mouth and see what your cat does.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Sorry.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
And remember, with a little Rusty's and an insane amount of luck, you too can look like me. Ka-chow.
Stop it. Love each other.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not.
At first, I was like, feet, as a joke. But bro, I don't think it's a joke anymore.
Ow! What you doing?
This is me as a potato, but look at my cat is a potato.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
Don't let your cat pet you and see what he does.
Stop pursing your lips while you poop. Oh, dude, that's so mean. That's mean. Not nice. Ow! Oh my god.
Guys, help, I think my cat is broken.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Alright, there is your cards. What is there a ton of in heaven? That one? No.
Teaching my cat tricks. Ignore my hand. Smart boy.
If you didn't see it, flip your phone the other way.
Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up.
Please, for the love of God, stop drinking. You're gonna drink us out of house and home.
Oh yeah, belly rub. Belly rub. You like that shit? Yeah, you do.
Oh, baby.
Can all the kitties in the club say meow?
Have one. You can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. It's pistachio ice cream.
Where's the dinosaur? Yay! Yay, dinosaur! You're tired? You don't want to do it anymore?
That is rude. That is rude. Stop. You.
Olive, I have to tell you something. You're adopted.
Child. Anyway, so.
Rise and shine, gorgeous. You ready to start the day?
It's literally 6 a.m.
That's okay, I'll just wait. You ready?
And I want to apologize to all of you for what I did. It was very wrong and I am very sorry. I just would like to move on and lead a normal life, you know.
So I called for bath time, and then this guy just coincidentally fell asleep. I know he's faking it because his tail is moving. So I'm going to wake him up. Wake up. I know you're faking it. Wake up. It's time for bath. Let's go. Chase, you're not going to hit me. Let's go. Come on. No. Let's go. Come on.
Help.
Mother, please.
I'm gonna die. I see God. Death awaits.
Ooh, this is nice. Girl. This orange is you right here? Okay. It don't smell like roaches in here or nothing. This is so nice.
Snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snake.
You okay, boy?
What?
There's one thing you can expect from me, and that's the unexpected. 'Cause I'm an international super spy. Super spy!
Milo, we need to have a serious discussion. Okay, you don't have to look at me, but you're stinky and you're getting a bath today.
Alright guys, I've done everything I know to do to get famous on this TikTok app, but nothing seems to be working. I've seen this work for other people, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Here's my butt.
Stop touching her, dude. She's gonna smack you. She's gonna keep smacking you.
Smoothie, what's in there? Oh,
Smoothie.
look at his little head. He's
You did not expect that.
Meat.
Look at him.
His tail.
Smoothie's so scared, yeah.
Hey bestie, watch this. No. Roll. You're so dumb. You know you love me. Not true. Do you want a hug? No, I want to fight you. Hug. Jesus, what kind of hug is that? The kind made with love. Please someone open this door, let me escape the dingus. Proof that cats are government spies. The white hair is her deactivate button. For minion trying to stop me. Guys help, I think my cat is broken.
Oh my god, what? That's a whole cat. Am I gonna be on TikTok?
You want food?
Oh my god.
t'es en crise, là? Oui, je suis.
So I heard if you give your animal an egg, it knows to take care of it because it's super fragile. Oh.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Hey, Uno, you want some catnip? He's like, give me that catnip. Here you go.
You're so very happy, kitty.
All right, sir, I think you've had enough. Give me that. Oh. He's like, I'm not done yet, though.
Rest in peace. Bob, get a box. Wake up. Oh. Look at the way he's just holding the camera.
Honey, can we show how we give high fives? Are you happy about giving the high five?
Got a new type of cat litter. This is how it went.
Oh, wow, you can't even really see it. You like it, Indiana? It seems to not go as much everywhere. Let's see how it is.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Want to meet them? Hi, Gim. Of course, Gimli has zero issues meeting a new cat. What? Callie's like, what is that? Oh no. Oh, honey.
I don't know if anybody else's cat is like this, but you can't like have my cat scratch the scratch pad on his own. You gotta like rev him up. You gotta really just rev him up and get those ears down. And there he goes. You can pretty much just do it like whenever you want to. Just